In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use the Hootsuite content calendar. To get started, you will use Hootsuite's planning tools to see your upcoming posts and make quick adjustments whenever you need them. First, open Hootsuite. When you open the platform, make sure you are signed in so you can access your planning workspace. If you have multiple workspaces or profiles, take a moment to confirm that you are in the right one. This matters because your calendar and scheduled posts will depend on the account you are viewing. Next, click Plan. On many Hootsuite layouts, the Plan area is where you manage your content schedule. After you click Plan, you should see options related to posting and organizing your content. Give it a second to load, especially if your dashboard is set up with multiple calendars or social channels. This is the section where your scheduling workflow begins. Once you are in the Plan area, view your scheduled posts on the calendar. The calendar view shows your planned content over different dates and times. Look carefully at the dates across the top and the content blocks or entries shown on the calendar. If you have several posts scheduled, you will usually see them arranged by day, which makes it easy to spot what is going out and when. This step is important because it helps you confirm that your plan matches your intentions before anything is published. As you scan the calendar, you may want to notice a few practical details. For example, check the time of each scheduled post and confirm that the post entry corresponds to the correct platform or channel, if Hootsuite displays that information. Also, pay attention to any indicators that show status, such as whether something is scheduled or pending. Taking a short moment here helps prevent mistakes later, since you can catch issues early while everything is still easy to edit. After you have reviewed the schedule and identified what you want to adjust, click Edit. Clicking Edit is what allows you to change the details of a specific scheduled post. You might click Edit directly from the calendar entry itself, or there may be an edit option shown when you select a post. Either way, the goal is to open the editing view for that scheduled item so you can make updates safely. Now that you are in the editing mode, feel free to edit. This is where you can update the content details for your post, such as the wording, the media, or other settings that are available for that specific scheduled item. Adjusting content is often necessary when you want to improve clarity, correct information, or match a new promotion timeline. Take your time and make only the changes you intend to make. If Hootsuite provides a preview, use it to ensure the post will look right when it is published. Once you finish editing, make sure your changes are saved or updated according to the prompts in the interface. After saving, return your attention to the calendar view. You should see the updated entry reflected in your schedule, which confirms that your edits are in place. To wrap up, you opened Hootsuite, went to the Plan area, reviewed your scheduled posts on the calendar, used Edit to make changes, and then took the opportunity to edit the content as needed. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.